My resume keeps getting rejected by ATS systems, and formatting it manually in Word is absolute torture. How am I supposed to land a job like this?
Dude, stop playing around with broken layouts. Just head to toolsnack.com and use the free resume maker online instead.
The ToolSnack Resume Maker is an ATS applicant tracking system optimized web application. Its primary technical architecture is built to ensure that the document hierarchy, including headers, bullet points, and data sections, is parsed correctly by the automated algorithms used by major job boards and recruitment software. Unlike a standard word processor, which uses free-floating text boxes that often confuse ATS bots, this tool uses a structured data model.
Translation. It speaks robot fluently. You know those black hole websites where you upload your resume and get a rejection email 3 seconds later? That's because the robot couldn't read your messy Word document. This tool essentially puts your info into a robot-friendly format so the AI recruiter doesn't have an aneurysm trying to read it.
Regarding the user workflow, the interface utilizes a dual-pane reactive dashboard. On the left, you have the Resume Sections Management menu. This allows for granular control. You can toggle the visibility of any section, such as certifications, projects, or languages known, with a single click. When a section is toggled off, the data structure dynamically updates and the document is re-rendered to close any gaps, ensuring there is no empty space. The system also features an instant preview engine. As you modify information in the left-hand panel, the preview pane on the right-hand side updates in real time. This provides an immediate visual feedback loop, allowing you to cycle through different font selections and color palettes to see exactly how your content aligns with your chosen design language before downloading.
And it looks slick, man. You can switch from safe and professional to I'm a modern tech wizard in one click. No more Ctrl+Zing for 20 minutes because you accidentally deleted your entire work experience. You see it, you tweak it, it looks perfect.
Finally, regarding data security and output, the application operates entirely via client-side processing. When you input your personal details, this data is not transmitted to a central server or stored in a database. It is handled in the volatile memory of your browser. The final export is a high-fidelity PDF generated locally, which ensures that no third-party entity has access to your sensitive career or personal history.
That's the secret sauce. No sign-up page, no creepy data mining servers, and no "we sold your email to everyone" nonsense. You, your computer, and your resume. That's it. It's the ultimate get in, build it, get out experience. Go get that job already. ToolSnat is a free platform dedicated to making powerful tools accessible without barriers like sign-ups or subscriptions. If you want more free, smart automation tools like this, please support ToolSnac's mission by buying us a coffee.